Good morning, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are here for SheModern Saturday. Today I'm doing a fall autumn type of manicure. We're using 3 different plates. Off this plate, I'm going to use this image right here where it's just the view of you looking up at the trees. These 2 plates here have no names on them, no nothing, so we're just going to go with it. I'm taking the pumpkin off of this plate here. You can see this is like a Thanksgiving plate. I'm taking the pumpkin off of there. Then we're going to be using this plate here from Finger Angel. I'm going to take the falling leaves. Maybe these 2 images here, I'm really not too sure yet. But we're going to start with the falling leaves. I'm going to take my brown, opaque brown sticky stamping polish by SheModern. These are all SheModern products I'll be using. So I'm going to take, oh, shoot. Shoot. We're doing the wrong thing. We watch this. I don't want to take the brown just yet. I want to take the red, the orange, and the yellow. Take some of those there. Just kind of want to mix it up a little bit because it is fall and the leaves are going to be changing. And they're going to be red, yellow, orange. So we're going to see how we do here. I've got my reinforced sticky stamper by SheModern. We'll be using that today. Oh, beautiful. It did not dry up on it. So there's a sticky stamping polish. It does stay sticky for a little while. You can also take a piece of tape, your scraper. Falling leaves are going on the middle finger. That is beautiful. I think it turned out really nice. Those are falling leaves. I'm going to wet my cotton ball a little bit more. We're going to jump over to a different plate now. I want to do the trees here in this plate. This is where I'll be using my brown sticky stamping polish. And the falling leaf, or the trees are going on the ring finger. Take your scraper, 45-degree angle, low and slow. I'm loving this image here. So love it. Oh, it's not going to take up the full image. Shoot. Let's see. I can fill that in to the best of my ability. With some of the nails I might do some watercolor, that's just not one of them. Clean your plate, clean your plate. Clean your stamper as well, get everything off of it. Okay, now we're going to go in with our pumpkin. Our pumpkin. I double stamp on this one. I try to. Might try to. Take out your excess that you don't want on the nail. Oh, that is so cute. So very cute. Should have done that in black. Filled it in orange. Ugh, whoopsie. So now I'm going to take some of the acorns. There's acorns on this plate. So I'm going to take a few of those. Straggle them down the nail. Something on our stamper. Whoops. Shoot. I am clumsy and I hate it, but what am I supposed to do? I'm gonna take some acorns. A couple of those. I'm gonna take some of the little leaves. Clean this up. Clean it up. Now I'm going to go in and take some of the little leaves. I'm going to take my red jelly sticky stamping polish. See how well this works. And just place them randomly on the nail. Where is it? There it goes. There it goes. Oh, let me see, let me see. I want to take a leaf and put it at the top of the nail, but I want to be specific. Specific, I want to be. So, what leaf do we want? I just want like one single. I think I'll take this one right here. Get your scraper, take off the excess. And there you go. I think this looks really cute. Okay, then we're going to go in with our leaves that we're going to put on the other two nails. We're going with my black sticky stamping polish. See how this works. Hopefully this works well. Beautiful pickup. Every single time. Hang your image up. Place it on the nail. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Just beautiful. And for the ring finger, or the pinky, let's see, what should we do? What should we do? Let's see, I got the black. We're going to go in with. Where's the, well, I'm not taking the brown. It'll be too murky. We're going to get our jelly. Our red jelly. I don't have a red opaque, I don't think. Our yellow opaque. And our tangerine. Oh no, it's neon orange. I'm sorry. I thought I had tangerine out. And we're going to scrape, scrape, scrape. Whoops. Okay. Looks like a good pickup to me. Get my lint roller here. Clean up my plate. Scraping card here. You can use tape. Just about anything you want to use. Well, that turned out really well. Look at that. Turned out really well. I'm going to clean my stamper. I'm going to pause, clean my mess up. Ooh. Alright, we are back. We are ready to top coat now. This nail is dry. Our stickies are sticky. Not so much. It's been probably a good 20 minutes. So we're going to top coat now and put a little bit of bling on the nail. Just a little bit. Just to spark it up a little. I think we're on the top coat. Should be using my SheModern top coat. I should. Here's my glossy top coat. We'll put these on. We will add a little bit of bling. Pop them in the lamp for a full 60. And we'll be finito. These things turned out really super cute. Especially I like the thumbnail the best and the ring finger. Those are my favorites. This is like the view if you're standing on the ground looking up at the sky through the trees. Let's see if you get that close so you can see. And the clearing at the top would be the sky. I think it's just too cute. We're gonna put us a few bling. Get these up here and then I will arrange them. Just a little bit of sparkle. Just a tad bit. What do you think? I'm not going to add it to all the nails. I think that'll be it. Just a little bit of sparkle. Placing these in 60 seconds. Alrighty, we are back. The nails are finito. I think these turned out really cute. Loving this nail. Really, really love this nail. Love the trees. Love the falling leaves. I think it turned out cute. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my autumn fall manicure for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Don't forget about my giveaways. It's going on until January. I just drew on the 15th. I draw the 1st and the 15th of every month for the white and black sticky stamping polish. See if I can find mine here. Here we go. I give away a set of these twice a month. If you're into stamping, they're a total game changer. They're a must-have, as I try to show you here. It changes everything with stamping. And if you're new to stamping, this is definitely a must-have. But we're gonna leave it as is for today. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.